another Ipsy Glam bag unboxing. This one is for July of 2021, and I do have both my bags here. So it's this really cute kind of like faux snakeskin looking texture on it. Feels surprisingly legit for not being the real deal. But yeah, and it's got the little Ipsy logo down here, little snap enclosure, and this gorgeous, gorgeous chartreuse interior of which I'm in love with. Like, oh my god, that is one of my favorite colors in the world. So I'm like, yes, thank you. So, August 2021, we've got cute little butterflies, flowers. Wanderlust. Recharge, reset, and go off the grid. Discover rare new ingredients. Go wild with manis. Try techniques that soothe your skin and your mind. Your greatest adventure starts with you. Hashtag Ipsy Wanderlust. And then there's a QR code. Scan to get into this month's theme. Then there's like giveaways on the back, so we don't care about those. Okay, so we actually have info on the inside for fucking once. So, time to unwind. Your 5 new glam bag products valued at $50+ are here for your me time. So, first thing, reaching in, we have this Elena Badro synthetic fluff brush. Ooh, okay. So it's a nice wood barrel one. I wasn't expecting that for some reason. Oh, those are nice. Okay, this would be like a nice shadow fluffy brush, I think. Go on, back on in for now. Go on. Go on. Okay. This is full size, $16. There's a reason professional and celebrity makeup artists love to keep this brush in their kit. It seamlessly applies and blends powder, gel, and cream eyeshadows. Thank you! Thanks to a curved brush head and soft, fluffy bristles. Plus, it's vegan and cruelty-free. Tip, you can use this versatile brush to apply cream, gel, or powder shadows. So, all the shadows. Fabulous. Okay. Next thing in, I see a Pixie by Petra. So this is a deluxe sample size. But it's a good sample size. The full size would be $18 though, which is a bit steep. So this is the Pixie Beauty Glowy Powder in Peachy Glow. Look at that. Okay. Almost looks bronzery. Get ready to glow. The silky soft powder, it's infused with light reflecting mica, soft peachy pigments, and moisturizing coconut oil, adds a hint of shimmer and sheer color to skin for a complexion that's radiant and luminous. Tip, use a highlighter brush to blend highlighter in circular motion anywhere you want to glow. Oh, so this is a highlighter. Oh. Okay, and we have it sealed, so I can't even open the swatch, but alright. That seems a little dark for a highlighter for my skin tone, but that's okay. We'll play with it. We'll play with it. If it doesn't work out as that, I can use it on my eyes, or I can, once again, attempt to figure out how the fuck to use a bronzer and try to use it that way, because I'm pretty pale. This could be a freaking bronzer color for me. I don't know. Next. What is this? By Mind Tan Rapid Recovery Moisturizing Lotion. This is a deluxe sample size. The full size would be $32.95. So, just a bitty little thing. Dealing with dry skin, a combo of hyaluronic acid and ceramides, 2 essential hydro boosters in this lotion work together to protect, plump, and replenish your skin from the neck down. Okay, so this is not a face one. Got it. Tip for even more hydrating benefits, apply to damp skin after showering. That is literally the #1 time that I moisturize is right after showering, but okay, go off. Wait, there's 2 more things in here. What the fuck? Oh, I confused myself. I was looking at something on the table that I mixed up as being part of this bundle. That's why I was like, wait, but that would be 6 things. Okay, so we have a lip balm, which makes me happy. This is by Shea brand, and it's Shea Natural Lip Balm. It's in the original. I love this packaging. This is so pretty. Like, can you guys see that? All the detail. Like, so pretty. I love that. So this is full size at $8. This isn't one of the lip balms that you have to apply and then reapply seconds later. It treats lips to long-lasting moisture, thank you shea butter, coconut oil, vitamin E, and beeswax, and covers them in a protective coating. Tip: apply to lips throughout the day as needed. So this one I'm assuming has like no scent or anything or flavor, but should still be good because quality-wise, that sounds really good. Whoop! Let's not fall off the table. Okay. Actually, let's just go ahead and put it here for now since it's a lip product anyway. Then last thing in this particular one, then I have my other bag. So this is the Authentic Beauty Concept Hydrate Mask, and it's a deluxe sample size. Full size version is $38. Behold, the perfect weekly treatment for damaged, coarse, or curly hair. This nourishing mask is packed with mango and basil extracts to deeply hydrate dry strands, boost shine, and restore bounce and elasticity. Tip: work through clean, damp hair, leave on for up to 10 minutes, then rinse. Not sure if it's safe for color-treated hair, but I guess we're gonna find out! So the hard way, so fuck it. Anyway, I have to redo mine anyway. We got roots aplenty, so let's stick these back in here for now and then do our other bag. Okay. Snap it. Yeah, nothing else in there. So then our other one, I believe these were a couple of bonus polishes that I got in with them. They were kind of just loose next to the envelope, so I don't know if they fell out of one of the pop-up shop bags or if these were an add-on that legit were part of this and slid out of the envelope. So we're gonna find out. But hey, I actually got one of these open without having to cut it. So these are both by Helios Luminor, and this one I believe I already have. This is the I Lilac You one. I actually really like that one. But the other one is, it's a nude day. So this is the one I wanted, because if it works anything like this guy, I want the pink one. Yes, it's baby pink. Yeah, it's kind of pukey pink, but at the same time, if it wears like that other one, it should wear like a dream. So it was worth it. So then into the baggie. Whoop. Do we have infos? Tell me now. We do! Okay. So, reaching in no particular order, we have another brush. This one from Farrah, and it's a concealer brush, 10F Rose Gold Collection. Darling, that's not rose gold. I hate to break it to you, but that is literally normal gold. That is not rose gold. There is no pink tint to that. I'm sorry. So this is full size at $10. Not only is this flat brush an essential for applying and blending your favorite concealers like a total pro, it's display worthy too. We can't get enough of the chic rose gold handle. Bitch, that's not rose gold, but I need to let it go. And the way it makes our skin look, plus it's vegan and cruelty free. Tip: be sure to give brushes a deep clean once a week using mild soap and warm water. That's not really a tip, that's literally basic hygiene for your brushes, but I guess some people need to be told, so let's put this back in here for now. Which side must be open? Must be this side. Why? Okay. Alright. We good. There. So we've got that. And then, what is this? Item Beauty Light Sauce Gel Moisturizer Mini. The full size of this is $20. So this is an Ipsy exclusive. Yep, we scored TikTok superstar Addison Rae's Item Beauty products just for you. Perfect for oily skin types, but great for all. This derm-tested gel formula keeps skin hydrated and healthy with tiger grass extract and ceramides. Tip: massage onto clean skin both morning and night. Okay. Yeah, knocked stuff down off the table, just like I said I would. Okay. Back on. Then, we've got, what is this? This is from the Balm Cosmetics. It's the Lid Quid Sparkling Liquid Eyeshadow in Rosé. Again, I am questioning their ability to see colors correctly. But, that's more of a almost coppery bronze, but whatever. Whatever, I'm not gonna fight them. This is a deluxe sample size. Full size is $14. Beautiful, blendable, and buildable, this baby is what eyeshadow dreams are made of. Swipe it on your lids and then blend it out with a brush for a wash of shimmery rose gold color that lasts for hours without creasing or fading. Again, you've not met my lids. We'll see if it lives up to that, but I am super, super skeptical because that almost never lives up to it with liquid or cream shadows with me. Or any shadows, really. Use a fluffy brush to blend, blend, blend. It's key for serving up the perfect shadow look. Yeah, because if you don't blend it, it's going to look like shit. Anyway, so there's that one. Then we've got, ooh, we'll see it. So this is by Beauty for Real. And it's their Eyeline 24/7 waterproof eyeliner in Peacock. It's so pretty. Oh, it's so pretty. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Okay. Okay. I cannot wait to wear that. If I weren't already wearing eye makeup today, I would put it on today, because oh my god, that's pretty. The fact that it's waterproof to boot. Oh my goodness. Okay. So, full size, $16. We're always looking for an eyeliner that'll stand up to summer humidity, sweat, and of course, pool days. And this one definitely delivers. This gel-based formula is highly pigmented and waterproof, so you can splash the day away without fear of smudging. Tip, use it to tightline to create a quick flick, or smudge along lids for a pop of color. Or, you know, do it any other fucking way you want to wear it. It's up to you. And then, finally, our last one. This is by Milk Makeup. This is a deluxe sample size. This is not full size. Full size would be $28. This is their Lip and Cheek in Work. Didn't I also get this from Sephora? I'm pretty sure we also got this from Sephora. Anyway, your makeup kit equals not complete without this 2-in-1 cream stick. The Dusty Rose shade can be used to give your cheeks a pretty flush and your lips a gorgeous tint. Plus, it's infused with moisturizing mango butter, peach nectar, and avocados oils. You didn't need to make them both plural. Pick one. Pick a side. I don't care which. To plump and smooth, too. Tip, swipe this stick on your lips, cheeks, or both. Then blend with fingertips or a sponge. You know how I feel about the products that are meant for both lips and cheeks, right? One, they almost always break me out. It does not play nice with my skin. I'll try it once just to see if it is the exception to the rule, but odds are it's fucking not. But also just the idea of it's been on my mouth and now I'm putting it on my cheeks. Now I want to put it back on my mouth. That's gross. I'm sorry. It's gross. I don't care how clean my face is. That is just gross to me, and I'm not the only one who feels that way. I know some of you guys feel me on this, and I've watched other beauty vloggers who also feel the same way, so I am not the only one in this boat here that feels like that's just, I don't know. For me, it oversteps a line, but it's like, alright, whichever one it looks better on, it'll get designated strictly to that, but I am just kind of squicky at the thought of it being for both interchangeably. It's like that one EOS that was intended to be used for both, and I was like, yeah, I tried it once, broke me out like a bitch. I was like, okay, it's for lips forevermore now. But yeah, it's gonna be like that, pretty much guaranteed. So anyway, that is what I got in my July Ipsy Glam bags, so hopefully you enjoyed this. If you did, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, see ya.